This is how to measure for roller blinds inside the window recess. To do this, you'll need a measuring tape, a piece of paper and a pen. First, you'll need to measure the width of the window, wall to wall, inside the recess. Do this in 3 paces and use the narrowest measurement. This is just in case your window is slightly misshaped. Don't forget to write down each measurement as you go, or get a friend to help. Next, you'll need to measure the height inside the recess. Measure from the top of the window frame to the window sill in 2 or 3 places, and use the longest measurement this time. And finally, you'll need the installation height. Measure from where you will install the blind to the floor. This means we can make the chain the correct length. You can then pop your measurements into our online studio at www.stitch.co.uk to get a quote for your designs.